how to prevent serious illnesses in our pets. And in fact, I was saying earlier, Jill, it's mosquito season, so that means it's heartworm season?
It's heartworm season, Paul, you bet. Protect your pets. It's really important. Make sure they're on their monthly preventative and make sure that they get tested every year, because a lot of people forget to do that, and it's important if you're refilling those medications. It's important to have a negative test before you put your pet on those medications.
So explain to us how mosquitoes can equal heartworms in our dogs and our cats.
Well, the mosquito actually has to bite an infected dog to transmit it. It is not contracted from dog to dog or human to dog. The mosquito actually needs to carry the infected form of the immature heartworm, which will take about 6 months to mature in a dog's system. So a lot of times people get puppies and they forget to do their first heartworm test as early as 6 months and upwards of a year. You want to make sure to have your pet checked. And again, look at these. These are chewables. They love them. Rudder and Diva are hanging out at this table. They're waiting for their monthly heartworm. I usually give it on the 1st of every month so I don't forget. We're a few days early. But see Diva here, Paul, she's sitting here begging. She will not leave me alone. She gets one chewable. They love them.
Stuff.
Yummy.
They're like candy, right? I mean, they just love them. So you want to make sure, too, there's so many out on the market. Check with your veterinarian because a lot of them do different things. For example, some of them will guard against roundworms, some will guard against hookworms. There's even some ones out now that guard against tapeworms. So fleas, all sorts of things. You just need to make sure that you check with your veterinarian to see which one's the best for your pet.
Okay, so Dr. Jill, is there one pill that kind of covers all of these things? Can we just give one dose every month, or is it multiple pills?
It's one pill every month, and yes, it can cover multiple things. Again, you need to check with the packaging. You need to check with your veterinarian because not all of them cover everything. As well, you want to make sure some of the generics out there may not be as effective. So again, check with your veterinarian. I like this one for kitty cats. It's a topical actually that does guard against heartworms in cats. A lot of people don't realize we have a heartworm problem in kitty cats, especially up in the Auburn area. It's one of the highest places in the country that have incident of heartworm in cats.
Hey, before we let you go, you kind of gave us a creepy list there of heartworm and tapeworm, and I don't know if I forget all the worms you had. Are any of these ones that adults or children can get by, I know mosquitoes are one of the sources, but are these transmittable to humans?
Really great question, Paul. Only through mosquitoes can your kids and humans get them, but again, it takes about 6 months, and we are not the normal hosts, so a lot of times the heartworms don't want to be in a human body. They want to be in a canine. Fur seals, felines, bears, some of the creatures that get those. And I mean, look at this, Paul. Isn't that gross?
Yeah,
Look at
no.
those long worms.
Super
It's
duper
very,
gross, yeah.
very
and
awful.
I gather by that then, if I have a pet bear, I also need to make sure I get my heartworm medication there.
You bet. Drive them right on up to the front of the clinic. We'll go out and take a blood sample.
You know, you are the one veterinarian that would do it, Dr.
Yes,
Jill.
absolutely.
You've got everything out there. Thank you very much. It's always a pleasure. We'll catch you next time. If you'd like to schedule an appointment for your bear or your cat or your dog
or your cat.
with Dr. Jill, check out our
Your dog
website.
bear.
Dr. Jill, that's drjyl.com, or you can give her a call. The number's there on your screen, 916-989-0738.
Yeah, her little facility out there is like a Disneyland for animals. She's got everything.